So Made in Ireland is actually a six-person band. They usually play around in Palmdale, you said, area, and sometimes they come down here to LA. But we're very lucky to have two members of their team, and they're going to be playing some amusing music for us tonight.
We'll see if she can jingle as well as she plays the flute. Here we go. Well, I took a stroll down the old long walk of a day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk of a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? Because her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl around the Saltdale prom with a Galway girl.